So for this we are making a very quick and very simple and very easy salad with tomatoes and mini frikadels. Again, we don't need these guys to cook very long. I've got a pan on the heat here. We are just going to add some olive oil. This is nice and hot. Okay, so tomatoes, the fruit of the vegetables, quick and easy. This is going to be a quite soggy salad, so we are adding some seeds. Okay. So first, we start with our mini frikadels. About 4 hands. We're going to add some leeks that we chopped just for flavor. So in the mornings when I wake up, my breath smells like leeks because I put leek in everything. So leek is part of the onion family, beautiful flavor, and it's quick and easy to get some onion taste into your food with leeks. And you don't have to wait as long for this to cook as you would for onion. Okay, so it's also beautiful, subtle onion flavor. Beautiful and savory. Okay, tomatoes. We all have tomatoes in our fridge. So your overripe tomatoes, you can go big with this because we want it to almost have a meaty texture when it goes into your salad. And as always, some salt. I've got some pepper over here. And then we do some lemon. So when I use lemon and I just want to use the juice, I slice it here at the back. It's just easier to control your pips. Okay, some lemon juice. We'll keep this for dressing a little bit later. So we are cooking the tomatoes until you see the skins are loosening. Then you know they are right. And then by that time your frikadels will also be ready. So with the salad we are making a dressing. My go-to dressing for almost everything and anything is this feta dressing. Also very quick and easy to make. Always have yogurt in the fridge. You marinate your meats in it and you can also make salad dressings with it. This is a nice double thick yogurt. As you can see, it's beautiful. Okay, this is a soft Danish feta, but you can use any feta. If you like to use flavored fetas, you're more than welcome. And with this, we are adding a little bit of garlic. Okay, so just something to break through the freshness of the salad. We want something with a little bit more of a substantial flavor. So just some garlic to let you know that you are busy having dinner and not breakfast. If you want to get the smell of garlic off of your hands and off of your utensils, like your chopping board, you just use some salt. Just rub your hands with some salt and cold water, and then you are ready to go. Some garlic, and then again we do some lemon juice in here. So this is just going to break through the creaminess of the dressing, and we don't add any salt to this. Firstly, the salt is going to make the yogurt runny, and you're going to start to make a cheese in your bowl, and the feta already has enough salt in it. Okay, so there we go. Beautiful. We just break this up, mix it through. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful yogurt. Okay, this is smelling beautiful. You start to get that ripe smell of the sweetness of the tomato, and it goes beautiful with the leek, the savoriness of the leek. So we are going to assemble the salad, it appears, because it's ready. Okay. So just like that. Then just to add to the texture of the salad and a little bit more protein, I'm just quickly toasting some seeds in here. So we've got some pumpkin seeds, some black sesame, some white sesame, and some sunflower seeds. This you just add to the hot pan. You don't need to add oils or anything. It's going to start to pop. We just want to toast it quickly. We just add a couple of our fresh little tomatoes just to have a little bit of contrast within the temperature and the texture. Everyone loves a a crunchy and fresh tomato. And you can start to get the nuttiness of the seeds as well, and that, with the contrast of the sweetness and the meat, will be beautiful. And then just to help everything and make it sexy, we have a little bit of our dressing. To this, just some whatever herbs you have in the fridge. I believe people need to start to cook with herbs. This is basil, and basil will just help with the taste and the flavor that you get with your tomatoes. It complements tomato very well. There we go. That was dinner sorted in very 10 minutes. There we go. Yeah. Enjoy. Matati slaai. Can I taste this? I'm supposed to. Okay. Why are we laughing? I don't know. Can we cut? Is it fun? Hello?